Hi you guys, so today I am doing my Rebecca Hoot favorite things swap, and I have this in my February journal. This is the day that we got our partners, and it's a spring swap, and it's to swap journaling supplies. I got my partner's name and address and then what kind of journaling supplies they're interested in, and my partner's interested in floral washi, cute paper clips, and trims. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you what I got for my partner before I send it off. I got her this little box because I thought it was so cute. It was on sale, a spring box. I mean, like super cute. And then inside of it, I love the little pink inside lining with the daisies on it. So I got her this Tim Holtz spring ephemera. I just thought it was so cute. And then some rickrack. And then I ordered some of these on Etsy. If you're interested in knowing where I got any of the stuff in here, just let me know down below in the comments. And I got this little dog clip. I just got some fun clips for her journal. There's a pink one and then a green one. And then I got her a couple of the floral washi. So that's kind of the picture on it. I thought they were all really pretty spring colors. And then, so these are just some little dangles that she can make charms with. I put them in this little packet. And then I got a little troll doll and then a safety pin that says spring. And I made this little thing. It's a little bookmark for her journal. I just thought it was super cute. Has a bunny on either side. I just used a piece of digital. And if you're curious what digital I used, I can link that down below. If you're interested, just let me know. And then on it, I just made a little funky junky journal charm for her to put on her journal. So I thought it was really cute. You just put this card in your journal and then this hangs off. And then these are some trims. This one's really pretty, I thought. And then I got some twine in some spring colors. I thought that was super cute. And then in this, I ordered it off of Etsy, but it's some clips for her journal. So I'll put like a little picture maybe over here if I can. But they're like little clips that have little stars on them. I thought they were really cute. I wanted to just keep them in the wrapping that they came in. And then this last little thing was a little monster that I made in a pocket for her journal. I just thought it was really cute for spring. She can write on it and he can just like live in her little journal. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.